There was a verse that was always in my heart. When the Lord says, I will never leave you nor forsake you. I always knew that God is with us. He will never leave us. He will never forsake us. Even if there's lockdown, there's COVID, but God is with us.
I'm Elvis Feni. I'm 34 years old, married to Lutho. She's 30, we've got 2 kids. We're staying in Tambo Village, in Eastern Cape, South Africa. When COVID hit, there was no church.
It was difficult. Like it was new thing, and it was scary to most of us, especially like people were dying in numbers.
Then people didn't think about giving.
And we were full of worries. But at the very same time, we put our faith in Jesus Christ, and I prayed a lot. I was spending a lot of time in prayer. Sometimes
we wouldn't have things like electricity or transport money depending on that money. So the absence of any sort of giving, doesn't matter what it is. It was just completely tried everything. But that time we were very safe, don't waste food. If we run out of this one, only God knows where our next meal was going to come from. We were hoping for the day when the country would be open again, then maybe things will get better. I got a call from Brad. There was in work and things to do, and then he comes and says there's some money that 412 is going to be sending out to pastors just to help. Yeah, I literally screamed. It must help the leader, but it must also help the people in the church. And then so with that money, we knew that it's going to cover things like that. We were able to buy the thermometer, the sprayer to fumigate the church, and the sanitizers, things like that. So when the relief came, I knew that I would be able to buy food for my family. I would be able to pay school fees for my children, and then I'll still be able to give to other people.
Bona uThixo kodwa esiprotector, esithanda, esikhathalela.
The 412 partnership of church actually became more practical at that time. It was a blessing because I said 412 is a huge thing. For them to think of such small people and small churches.
The 412 partnership it opens our hearts and minds. It enlarges our vision, our hearts, and our efforts on how to serve the Lord. I mean, they showed us the love and how important are we in God's heart.